Okay, this was kind of a pain in the ass to get to. I had to push the hose back. But this is just what I do. I got the stud all the way out. And just because I got a piss poor memory, I put the stuff back on it with the nut. Just so I remember where everything goes and I don't lose any nuts or bolts. But that's loose. And so everything's in order there. If at all possible, always try to put your bolts or nuts back in the hole. If not, if you don't know where, if it's not possible, then draw a little diagram on a piece of cardboard or paper and mark where your holes go and put a hole through the piece of paper or cardboard and actually put your bolt through it so you know exactly what position they came from. So I'll be back. Okay, I just took that there's a little stud holding the transmission lines in, and it's a little stud bolt. It's in between the two lines, and that was a son of a bitch to get to. So again, thank you, Jesus, for this nifty little thing. It's saved my life many times. So, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I've never done this before, so this is just a trial and error sort of deal. I took that strut loose, completely loose, but I hung it with wire. Because I cannot get the, whatever that's called, the, oh, I don't know what the hell it's called. The thing that's connected to the sway bar, I couldn't get it loose. So I hung this with some wire from the top, and it's still got the caliper hanging on it. And this is, again, this is just a trial and error sort of deal. Now, so the plan is to just take this subframe partially loose on just the driver's side, because that's where the main part of the transmission is. Just enough to give me wiggle room so I can try to finagle it out of there. This is the other strut. I didn't take it all the way out, I just loosened it. So again, so I got some wiggle room. Okay? Excuse me. So, the plan is, now I've already loosened that bolt that holds the subframe in. I didn't take it out all the way, and I'm not going to, or I don't plan on it anyway. This one over here on the driver's side, I may take it all the way out. So I'm not 100% sure on that, but I may take it all the way out just so I can drop this driver's side to get the transmission out. But that's my progress so far, so there you go. Okay, one more thing. The rack and pinion is mounted to the subframe, or I guess that's what it's called, I don't know, but it's mounted to the subframe. So I'm gonna have to take the steering thing loose so I can drop this driver's side of the subframe. So that's the plan anyway. We'll see. I'll be back. Okay, so I took the half shaft out. There's a guy on the internet that claims that there's nothing holding it in. Well, there is. I don't know if you can see it. Right there's a little retainer clip that does help to hold it in. So this one came out fairly easy because that's brand new and I just put it in 3 months ago. This transmission shifted perfect like a brand new car for about 3 months, and then it started screwing up again. So I got that one out. The other side is probably going to be a son of a bitch. I had to make a homemade special tool just to pop this out of its socket when I originally took the original one out. So you see it's got teeth on it and shit. And yeah, you can see that little retaining clip right there. But there you go. I'll be back.